This the kind of go rat-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta. This the kind of go rat-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta. This the kind of go rat-ta-ta.
How to use the Veet Silky Fresh hair remover cream on the leg. First off, you want to make sure the leg area is wet, so you got to wet the area with warm water like so, and then you pat dry with a towel softly. Afterwards, you want to apply the Veet hair remover cream on the leg, so you'll be focusing on the area you want to get rid of the hair from. So you'll be applying this cream across the area, okay? Like so, and then you spread this across the leg using the spatula. You spread it across the leg using the spatula like so. After making sure you've spread the cream across the leg like so, then you wait for 5 to 7 minutes. And then you scrape it off in the opposite direction of the hair growth like so. Using the spatula. You can see some hair particles on the spatula. After getting rid of the hair, you rinse off and then you go in with your moisturizer. This helps to leave the skin fresh, moist, and moisturized. It's necessary. And if you know you'll be stepping out, you can as well apply your sunscreen on that area if the clothes you'll be wearing won't be covering there. So this is the after look. So fresh, clear, silky, and smooth. Veet actually does magic.